Welcome! Today I'm showing how to change screen recorder quality into Oppo A15S. First of all, open Settings, then scroll down and find Additional Settings option. Here need to scroll down and find Screen Recorder option. This one, Screen Recording. Then here we got Display option, Video Resolution. Click it, and here you can change your video quality or customize your video quality, and for saving this option, click back and it saves automatically. And that's it. Thank you for watching, leave thumbs ups and subscribe to our channel.